Hi boys and girls, it's Mrs. McGarity from the Whale class. Today we're going to explore one of our materials from our awesome new at-home learning box. So what you need is a grown-up and your box of fun. You're going to take out your clay, modeling clay, and you need a grown-up with a pair of scissors. Open your modeling clay. It's pretty tricky, so you might need some help from a parent also. And pick a color that you want to explore. My favorite color is blue, so I'm going to pick out the blue. Ask mommy or daddy or grandma or grandpa to open the clay for you because it is really tricky. Okay? And then you can move your bucket to the side and you can take a look. First, I'm going to just explore the clay. And I'm thinking, this feels a little bit different than Play-Doh. It's a lot harder than Play-Doh. Play-Doh is really mushy, and this clay is a little bit hard. But once I start working with it, it gets a little softer and a little easier to use. So I might start just by breaking off a little piece of clay. And I might mush it in my fingers, think about how it feels. It's getting softer and softer, but it's still not as soft as Play-Doh. And little pieces don't come off as easy either. I might take this ball, I might roll it on the desk. I might smush it with my fingers and roll it again. Smush it on the table. And I know that you did all of this with Play-Doh with other teachers, but exploring clay is a little bit different, so we're going to try it with clay today. After I make some balls, maybe I want to practice making those snakes. Making a long snake, putting it on the table, and using the table to help. See what I can do with my clay. I can bend it, I can stretch it. Now, if you're feeling super tricky, here are some things you could do. If you make your clay into a ball and you roll it out into a snake, you can use that snake to make some things. I think I'm going to try to make a shape or two today. If I take my snake and I fold it around, I can make a circle or an O or a zero, just like that with one piece. Let me see what else I could make. What other shapes could I make? Well, I'm thinking I could make a triangle. You could make a triangle with 2 pieces of clay. Like this. If that's a little too tricky, then use 3 pieces. Get 3 balls of clay. 1, 2, 3. Roll them each into a snake. 1 snake, 2 snakes, 3 snakes, because a triangle has 3 sides. So then I put my triangle together. If you take a look, I have 1 piece, 2 pieces, 3 pieces to make a triangle. You can make squares, rectangles, hearts, whatever shapes you would like. If you really want to challenge yourself even more, maybe you can make the first letter of your name. My first letter of my name is M for McGarity. This is going to be tricky. I'm going to need a lot of clay. I'm going to use a piece for each part of my name. So I'm going to need 1 piece. 2 pieces. My name has 4 big lines in it, so I'm going to need 4 pieces of clay. 3 pieces, so I almost have my M built. It looks like an N right now. And 4 pieces. Look, I have M for McGarity. Try to make the first letter of your name, maybe even your whole name. Whatever you would like to do to explore that clay. When you are finished, all you need to do is smush it back together If mommy or daddy has a little Ziploc bag, you can put it in that and put it back in your bucket. If you don't have a Ziploc bag, you can just put it back in the bucket with the lid on and it won't get hard. Okay, so I want you to challenge yourself. If you want to use more than one color, go ahead. See what you can do with your clay.